What is evaporated milk? Evaporated milk is a type of milk that has had about half of its water removed. In simple words, evaporated milk is thicker and more concentrated than regular milk. It is made by heating milk to remove water, and then it is usually canned for a long shelf life. Because it has less water, evaporated milk has a slightly creamy texture and a richer taste. For example, she used evaporated milk to make a creamy dessert. This means she used it to add richness and thickness to the dish. Evaporated milk is often used in tea and coffee, desserts, soups and sauces. For example, evaporated milk makes the soup more creamy. This means it improves the texture and flavor. It is different from condensed milk, which is sweetened, while evaporated milk is not sweet. Here are some more example sentences. I added evaporated milk to my coffee. The recipe calls for a can of evaporated milk. It lasts longer than fresh milk. Some related terms include milk, condensed milk, and dairy products. In simple terms, evaporated milk is concentrated milk with less water and a richer texture. Easy way to remember. Evaporated milk means milk with water removed to make it thicker.